I got one for y'all this morning, man. Bad parenting. I'm taking my baby mama ass to court this morning. I'm in the kitchen. I'm rocking out, but I'm taking her ass to court this morning. All right. First, I want to say this: she a great mama. I really think she is an awesome mom. She a great parent, but she in court this morning for bad parenting on this behalf right here. Her ass got hit with a strike. All right. Well, you know, I get the text yesterday morning, or the morning before that. Probably what is it, Sunday? So I got the text like Friday morning, Friday afternoon, that my kids was involved into a wreck. Well, everybody was all right, thank God. You know what I'm saying? Everybody made it through. It wasn't a dangerous wreck, but it was a wreck. So with that happening, you know what I'm saying? Like, it stopped my heart for a minute, man. I was scared, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying? Because to give you the whole backdrop, I've been away from my kids for a while now. Me and their mom separated. So, I haven't seen my kids in a long time, bro. Too long, you know what I mean? And to break it all down, this what had happened. You know, they end up getting into a wreck on their way to the fair. And like I say, they was all right. It wasn't major, but it still was a wreck. You know what I'm saying? The oldest and my oldest boy, the oldest girl and my oldest boy end up having like, small concussion or whatever, or they suffered a concussion throughout the accident. So that's what had happened with them. And thank God, by the grace of God, that they all right and they gonna be all right. And everybody else in the car was all right. Dude pulled out and hit them on the driver's side. He was trying to beat the traffic from one way, but he didn't look the other way and didn't see, my kids at all driving by, and he ended up smashing into the side of them. So, like I say, I got the text like Friday. The accident happened on Tuesday. So, with that being said, that's why my baby mama asked the court today. You know what I'm saying? And I'm the judge, the jury, the executioner, the bailiff, the motherfucking, I'm the state, I'm everything. You know what I'm saying? And her ass is in court today. You know what I mean? And yeah, her ass is grass, and I'm the lawnmower. You know what I mean? Because why didn't you let me know after the accident happened that they had been in an accident? I know between the first so many thoughts that crossed your mind, telling their dad was one of the thoughts that crossed your goddamn mind. And I don't know why you didn't tell me that they had been in an accident. You know what I'm saying? And to me, that was so demoralizing. Like, I got mad as hell. But the most important thing was the health of my children at the time. So I didn't express how mad I was, but I was mad as hell. So today, her ass in court, and it's bad parenting. You know what I'm saying? And like I say, I'm the judge, the jury, and the execution. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Luck? What's up, Nimba? So you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm bringing up charges. I'm bringing her up on charges. Her ass is under bad parenting, bad judgment, questioning, and everything else. And to make it so bad, like when I did get the text and I called her, she started talking to me like everything was sweet, like everything was good to go. You know what I'm saying? Like I wasn't supposed to be mad that it was 2 days later, but I didn't show that I was mad, but I was mad as hell. And my kids, when I talked to them, they made light of the situation. They were laughing and playing, and you know what I'm saying, like joking about the shit, because they was like, man, we was scared, but we didn't know what was going on. So we just all started screaming at one time. So I was like, yeah, y'all crazy as hell. You know what I mean? But her ass in court today, and let me get a thumbs up and let me know, you know, if am I right for putting her in court today? You know what I'm saying? In my courtroom, it's cool. This my channel courtroom. Her ass is in court, and it is what it is. I'm in the kitchen. Imagine that. But I'm in the kitchen today. I'm doing my thing at the job. Uh, I don't know how to spell your name, not or how to pronounce it, but no, never been gay, homeboy. You know what I'm saying? I fucks good. I like girl pussy, not boy pussy. You know what I mean? Excuse my French ladies and everybody else out there. Sorry to say that, but you got immature motherfuckers like him coming to nigga live and say some gay shit like that. Come on, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm somebody's father, man. Find somebody to play with. You know what I mean? Somebody daddy in the world, bro. Ain't nothing gay about me. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it's all good. See, now they want to review your messages and shit like that. What the fuck? This man gay as fuck. But anyway, man, listen, her ass support today. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I got the right to charge her on these charges. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. I think that I'm right. I think her ass should be fined for bad parenting. You talking about chill, just trolling, chill. Oh yeah. I know it. You just trolling. I feel you. You need something to do today. You know what I'm saying? You should, go live and what I'm saying, talk about what you doing today. You need something to do. Matter of fact, go get you a job. You know what I mean? Hey, that's something to do. You know what I mean? Go own a business or something. You know what I mean? Cause I'm a business owner, but I also work too. So gotta get that money all different kind of ways. But nevertheless, have a great day, brother. All right. Big 8, my puppy. All right, yes sir. Yeah. You flip burgers? Nah, man. I'm in this bitch. I'm cooking fish and shit. I'm at Captain D's. You see it right here, Captain D's. A lot of places don't got Captain D's, but we got fish and soul food, shit like that. So, yeah, it's a decent little spot. You know what I mean? I'm cooking here. You feel me? I just come in here and do my thing, go to the house, you feel me? Jose, what's happening with you, Jose? But yeah, man, hey, at the end of the day though, man, man, y'all hit that like button, man. Fuck with me, subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? I do this. I got a lot of videos on my channel. I got about 300 videos, talk about all kinds of shit. But like I said, today my baby mama is in court for, bad parenting, which I think, you know what I'm saying, like I say, I'm the judge, the jury, executioner, I'm the state attorney, I'm the bailiff in the courtroom, I'm everything, and I brought her ass up on charges. I don't see how my kids can get in an accident on Tuesday or Wednesday, and I don't hear about the shit till Friday. All right, I appreciate that, Jose. Yes, sir. What's up, Amanda? But yeah. I don't see how the fuck that's even cool. You feel me? Like, how the hell, regardless of our relationship, regardless of we talking, kicking it or what, the well-being of my kids should be first priority for you to let me know. You know what I'm saying? Like, but like I say, women do, crazy shit at times, and some men out there that don't care about their kids, so they won't even get in there. All right, and yes, sir. You have a good day too, Jose. I appreciate you, bro. But yeah, man. So what y'all think? Should she be found guilty or should be innocent? You know what I mean? Y'all leave it in the comments, or let me know whatever y'all think the case may should be. I find her as guilty, but here on my channel, this courtroom, it's like the people's court, so the people can interact with me and let me know. You know what I'm saying? Am I overreacting? Am I tripping? Or am I right? I think I'm right because I love my kids, man. So if something happened to them, you should have let me know ASAP what was going on. You feel me? Maybe I want to come to the scene. Maybe I want to be at the hospital. Maybe I want to ask the doctor some questions. Maybe I need to know what to do to a child that suffered a concussion or something. You feel me? So I just felt like she took that right away from me. So that's why I brought her ass to court this morning. I don't think I'm wrong. I think I'm right. But it's unfair. But this is sadly how it goes, Father. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She is wrong. But what can you really do for her? Yeah, yeah. Nah. And the thing is, I don't really want to do nothing to her. You know what I'm saying? Melody, what you talking about, man? Dude, fuck here, bitch, you. Yo, ugly. I can't even see your picture. Little dirt ass, bro. Don't come over here with that stupid ass shit. Melly, bro. Get your bitch ass roasted in the morning, boy. You gotta go on somewhere, you heard me? But anyways, man, I don't even like I want to do nothing to it. I just like, come on, man, be real, be fair. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, booty fart head. Hey, that's some funny shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I like that. That's some funny shit. But I mean, it ain't nothing I really could do to it. But man, you know what I'm saying? Be real, bro. You know, and I know at the end of the day, I know she felt bad because, you know, I think she was scared to tell me because she didn't know how I was gonna react. Which, you know what I'm saying? The oldest is she 18, she 19 years old. She could drive now. That's the risk we take as parents. You know, once kids are old enough to drive, you let them drive. You know what I'm saying? Like I told her, every time you get in a car, you crank it up. You know what I'm saying? You taking that risk at getting into an accident. Even if you doing everything right, somebody still can hit you. And you know what I mean? And kill you or mess your whole day up, mess your life up at the time. So, you know, I told her it wasn't her fault. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, in all reality, it wasn't her fault. But I told her, you know, she ain't had nothing to worry about. I ain't mad, you know what I mean? So I'm just glad everybody was safe, you know what I mean? But baby mama is in court today, motherfucking bad parenting, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, you know, fuck with me on the video. Go fuck with my other videos. Holla at me. Let me know what you think of the content. It is what it is. I hope y'all have a good day. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate some of you niggas coming in here trolling. I like the laughs and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm humorous. I ain't no green ass nigga or nothing like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Bad parenting. You know, court is adjourned. I'm going to holla at you. It's cool.